Wait till the moon comes out a little bit higher and that'll give us some light. It's very dark. Our eyes will adjust soon. I'm the fire starter. We've taken time out this weekend. Life's busy, stressful, constantly emailed, messages, WhatsApp, notifications everywhere, boss ringing, someone wants something. Every now and then you need to press the pause button. I need to stop the busy life, busy schedule, go away, take some time out and reflect, relax. Reflect on where you've been, your journey in life. Is this what you planned? Where is your life now compared to your dreams and goals? Are you on track? Sure, we could have gone to another capital city, expensive hotel room, caravan park, more noise, more people, more stress, more stuff going on. We've gone camping up in the national park of the Murray River. In the distant background you can hear the road noise several kilometres away. It's just far enough away that you can put it out of your mind whilst you think about your journey in life. Where are you today? Where do you want to be in 5 or 10 years? This weekend is only going to cost several $100s, but you can't put a price on the serenity, the peace and the quiet, getting back to nature and doing those simple things in life. A barbecue. Sure, things are not perfectly clean around here and there's no shower, flushing toilet or running water or electricity, but the simple things in life are often the best. Take time, relax, get away from the hustle and the bustle of modern life. Time out for yourself to sit back and just watch nature do its thing. Think about where you are in your journey in life. Where do you want to go? Do you need a huge amount of money to reach your journey? Are you happy to enjoy these experiences getting back to nature? Or do you want the gold-plated tapware in your bathroom? Do you want the best kitchen appliances? Do you want to be having the finest dining experiences? Or can you still enjoy the taste and the flavour in a location that you can't match like this? Personally, halfway through my life journey, how much longer are you going to live? How much money do you need? When do you stop working I don't see many 70 or 80-year-olds doing adventure, trekking, kayaking, mountain bike riding. I think the time to do that is before you're 60. So go on, indulge, relax, unwind, and get back to nature and enjoy the serenity that God and the world has to offer.